Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and electronics. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the HAPPRUN Mini Projector, a portable powerhouse that promises to transform your movie nights and entertainment experience. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. The HAPPRUN Mini Projector comes with a game-changing feature, electric focus. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual focusing. With the included smart remote control, you can achieve a crystal clear picture within just 3 seconds. No more getting up to adjust the focus while you're comfortably seated on the sofa or lying in bed. It's the ultimate convenience for your movie nights. Unlike bulky projectors, the HAPPRUN Mini Projector is designed with portability in mind. Its compact dimensions of 8.85 by 7.08 by 5.31 inches and lightweight 2.5 pounds build make it incredibly easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're using it at home or taking it outdoors for a movie night under the stars, this projector is your reliable companion. This projector supports full HD 1080p resolution, ensuring you enjoy outstanding visual quality with sharp and vibrant images. With a high dynamic contrast ratio of 8,000 to 1 and 95% NTSC technology, it delivers a truly immersive and color-rich projection. The HAPPRUN Mini Projector allows you to create your own home theater with a projection size ranging from 35 to a whopping 200 inches. It's versatile, offering a projection distance of 3.7 feet to 23.6 feet. And it features a 4:3, 16:9 aspect ratio and zoom function to adjust the image size without moving the projector. This projector is equipped with HDMI, 2 USB ports, AV, and headset ports, making it compatible. With a wide range of devices such as PCs, TV boxes, TV sticks, Chromebooks, tablets, USB flash drives, media players, and smartphones. Note that when connecting with a phone, you'll need an extra HDMI adapter. Due to HDCP copyright restrictions, certain content may not be mirrored, but you can use devices like Amazon Fire Stick for streaming. Not only does it offer outstanding visuals, but the HAPPRUN Mini Projector also features 5.1 Bluetooth connectivity and a built-in speaker for a complete audio-visual experience. It's all about convenience and eliminating the need for external speakers. HAPPRUN stands behind its product with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer service support, ensuring you have peace of mind when you choose this projector. So there you have it, the HAPPRUN Mini Projector, a compact, feature-packed device that can transform any space into a home theater. If you're looking to take your movie nights to the next level or enjoy gaming on a larger screen, this projector is worth considering. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab one for yourself, and let us know in the comments what you think of this impressive piece of tech. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Product Critique for more exciting reviews.